Hello everyone, it's Worka time. Today's video brings you non-stop action from job sites around the world. Machines, workers, tools, it's all here. Press play. It was like watching a muscle robot in a fighting ring. Each heavy log was knocked down with ease. 12 cubic meters were chopped and stowed in 9 hours, from a total of 16 cubic meters. The efficiency was outstanding. With a light and even mist, this automatic system covers each vine without causing noise or disturbance. This is a smart solution for efficient farming, reducing labor and keeping the vineyard cleaner and greener. This state-of-the-art composter works in concert with the Finn tractor. It thoroughly decomposes organic matter and returns a rich source of nutrients to the soil. It is an environmentally friendly solution that reduces pollution while restoring soil fertility. Amidst the sea of white cotton, these machines move silently, dragging ripe cotton without stopping. A steady and persistent work in the endless field. Designed specifically for orchards, the orchard sprayer ensures precise and comprehensive application of pesticides to every leaf. The powerful airflow and high-pressure nozzle help the pesticide penetrate deep into the canopy. Designed for heavy-duty agricultural work, the Ditch Angel is especially effective at digging drainage ditches or installing pipes. The powerful rotating cutting disc allows the machine to dig fast and straight, saving hours of labor. Ideal for farmers and construction crews who need precision and reliability. Out in the fields, a rock crusher pulled behind a tractor grinds the hard soil with each pass. More than just sound and movement, it is the beginning of the process of turning barren land into fertile soil for farming. Watching on television is convenient, but pick up your phone and hit the subscribe button to stay with us. Designed for serious soil preparation work, this machine easily uproots small trees and thick vegetation. It also pulls up rocks and brush. After just a few passes, the ground is clean and ready to use. This machine works at high speed, harvesting rows of cabbage with ease. A few passes and the field is clean and ready for processing. Great for those who want to produce fresh cabbage or authentic traditional pickles. Even in the toughest and rockiest soils, this implement creates perfect seed beds with 50–70% fewer passes than a traditional plow. It uses 18 millimeters thick, 320 millimeters long, forged steel blades that are heat-treated to resist wear. The design also allows for multiple attachments, providing versatility and significant fuel savings. No matter the ground conditions, this hydraulic rock picker adapts and performs efficiently. It works well on both hard and newly plowed soil. That versatility makes it an indispensable piece of equipment for heavy agricultural work. Thanks to its high-resolution camera and advanced machine learning algorithms, the Asterisk robot can clearly distinguish between crops and weeds with impressive accuracy. Once it detects a weed, the robot sprays tiny droplets of herbicide directly onto the leaves, providing effective control without affecting surrounding crops. Designed for versatility, the FPP Evolution Transplanter easily handles vegetables such as onions, sweet potatoes, and leeks. It can be used with bare root plants or tray seedlings and has a throughput of up to 3,500 plants per hour per operator.
Here's your guess.
Can you imagine the look on their faces when he brings out the food? I would love to see that. Impressive. They finished their performance before I could even blink. Tree felling skills require calmness, precision, and a thorough understanding of tree structure. We appreciate every moment you spend with us. Hope this video helps you recharge after a tiring day at work. Using drones to transport agricultural products down steep mountain slopes. What a clever idea, right? You wouldn't mind giving a like for such a smooth and precise coordination, would you? The speed of this machine is amazing. It's like watching a race car run. Paint guns help paint ceilings much faster and more evenly. This smart solution makes breaking down old floors much easier. No more back pain and sore knees. feel like he was born to do this job. Fast, precise, and extremely efficient. Don't let this be the last video you see from us. Subscribe so you don't miss out on more great videos. Support from modern machinery is the key to improving productivity and quality of agricultural products. Each cut is made meticulously to ensure the final product's quality. Thanks to its compact and flexible design, farmers can cut tea easily, even on steep hills. There's no denying his strength is impressive. Comment below if you can count how many packages he lifted. With this device, concrete construction becomes more precise and professional than ever. Do you agree with me that in any workplace there are always two completely opposite types of people? This clever creation ensures you get a round of applause whenever you want. Thanks to modern technology, wire production becomes fast and perfectly consistent.
I hope these moments have helped you relax after a long day at work. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos. Goodbye and see you again.